Composite and synthetic varieties in plant breeding. Objective of plant breeding: to develop improved varieties with high yield, high quality, climate resilience, and adaptability. A composite variety is a plant population that is developed by mixing the seeds of multiple lines that are similar in characteristics, such as height, seed size, and color. The resulting variety is genetically heterogeneous, and it is not possible to recreate the composite variety. Key characteristics: high genetic diversity, broad adaptability and stability. Development of composite varieties. Step 1. Select varieties or lines with desirable traits, example, high yield, disease resistance, drought tolerance. Step 2. Combine seeds from selected lines to form a composite mix. Step 3. Allow several generations of open pollination and natural selection. Outcome: a population with broad genetic diversity adapted to specific environmental conditions. Advantages of composite varieties. Broad genetic base helps the population to adapt to different environments. Improve tolerance to drought, pests, and diseases. Suitable for resource-limited farming systems. Common and staple crops like maize and rice in regions with diverse climates. Synthetic varieties are developed by intercrossing selected lines multiple times, followed by open pollination. A synthetic variety is a plant variety that is developed by crossing multiple genotypes that are known to produce superior hybrid performance when crossed in all combinations. The genotypes used to create a synthetic variety are tested for their combining ability, or general combining ability, GCA. To ensure that they will produce a superior progeny when crossed, they are often used in the growing of species like forage crops. Key characteristics: exploits hybrid vigor, heterosis, without requiring repeated crossbreeding. High-yielding and adaptable populations. Examples: often used in crops like alfalfa, maize, and forage grasses. Development of synthetic varieties. Step 1. Select parent lines based on desired traits, e.g., high yield, pest resistance. Step 2. Check general combining ability. Step 3. Allow open pollination among good general combiners to stabilize the population. Advantages of synthetic varieties. Enhanced vigor and yield compared to parent lines. Synthetic varieties maintain performance over multiple generations. Often found in forage and grain crops like alfalfa and maize. Comparison of composite and synthetic varieties. Composite varieties. Developed by mixing multiple selected lines. Relies on natural selection over generations. Broadly adapted with high genetic diversity. Synthetic varieties. Check general combining ability. Developed through controlled crosses of selected lines. Maintains hybrid vigor. Higher yield potential but slightly less diverse. Composite varieties are more suitable for self-pollinated crops, while synthetic varieties work well in cross-pollinated crops. Both composite and synthetic varieties play essential roles in sustainable agriculture, offering adaptable, high-yielding options for diverse growing environments. Composite varieties are ideal for small-scale farmers in varied environments, while synthetic varieties are valuable in regions needing high-yielding forage crops. Enhanced breeding techniques like molecular markers could improve selection for both types, promoting resilience and yield in the face of climate change.